Today I'm gonna show you how to do this cup crease. Not very typical cup crease, but kind of like with a shimmery blue color with red crease color cut crease. With this palette, Colourpop Dream Street. I got this palette a few days ago, so I'm very excited to use it today. Today was my first time use it. I like it a lot. A little bit drawback was the fallout. Some colors are very loose powder, and there was some fallouts on the brushes, but they stay nicely and smooth on my eyes, and they blended really well. So I like it a lot. This is what it looks like inside. See, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shimmers, 6 matte colors. You can create like red color, blue color, lots of different eye looks. I'm glad I got this palette, and I really like how my look turned out today. If you're interested in how to do this look, just keep on watching the video and I'll show you how to do it. First step is to prime my eyes. I'm gonna use this Urban Decay Anti-Aging Eye Primer. Use my fingertip, slowly spread all over my eyelids. Next, I'm gonna use Colourpop No Filter Concealer, color Light 14. Kind of acting like my base color. I got this new concealer because the concealer I have before are too dark, so I got this new ones to highlight under eye area just to make it look nicer. And now I'm using it on my eyes, so the colors of the eyeshadows will pop. Just use a flat concealer brush. Blend it out all over the eyelid. Okay. That's the concealer to cover my huge pimple. I'm gonna set it in a little bit because the color is so dark. I was using this Bare Minerals stick concealer. I think it works better with those like pimples with texture, with a little bit bump or scars. It makes it less noticeable. This palette doesn't have a white matte color to set my eyes, so I'm just gonna use a Mercier translucent powder to set my concealer on my eyes. Using this ponytail blending brush, I'm gonna put some powder in the lid and just use a brush and swirl in there. Tap out excess. Set the concealer. Now you can tell my eyes are a lot lighter than my skin color. Next color I'm gonna use is this magical. I'm gonna use this one as my crease color. It has a little bit fallout, but as long as it stays on my eye and blend out nicely, I don't care about fallout. Okay, just fill your eyebrow bowl, and that's where your crease is. Start with the ends. You can start with a little bit and build up more color. I'm gonna bring this color all towards the inner eyes. Next, I'm gonna use this color potion to further define the crease. This is bright. Next, I'm gonna use this color Spark. It's really, this one, this really bright red color, and I'm gonna put it at the outer V of my eye. I like this color. I really like Colourpop. Their eyeshadows, so pretty, so pigmented. I mean, it is insane. It takes lots of time to blend. Blend, 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 blend. Blend all these colors together. Next, I'm gonna use this color, Water Bear. This pretty blue color, and put it all over my eyelid. This color is so pigmented, so make sure to use only tiny of it and tap out the excess. Start with the middle. I'm gonna use this MAC 217 just to blend it out. Bring it up to my crease. Next, I'm gonna use this flat brush with this color Mermaid Bay. This shimmer blue color. Use it all over the eyelid. Nice. Okay, there's an uplid, and I'm gonna do the other eye and we'll be back. Actually, I'm gonna add one more step. I'm gonna use this color right here. It's like a silver shimmery color. I'm gonna put this color right in the middle of the eye, kind of like create a little bit like a halo look. Kind of smooth out the edges. Then I'm gonna add that blue shimmer color again, just kind of blend these two colors together. Next, I'll put on the eyeliner. I will use this DUP Silky Liquid liner in color black. Same thing, draw the tail and the neck, then fill out the color. I'm gonna use this RMK creamy polish base. Put it on my face. Foundation, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation, color 6. I think this color is darker than my face, but it goes well with my neck. It's pretty much the same color as my neck. Okay, voila, it's done. Alright, I'm gonna do my brows first. I'm gonna brush it the same direction as your natural hair growth, and just outline the shape. And fill out. Okay, next I'm gonna use this one. It's like mascara, but it's for brow. Okay, and for the front part, I'm gonna use a different color that is a little bit lighter. For the lower eyeshadow, I will use a mix of these two color, Potion and Spark. These two, Potion and Spark. And pack it right under your eyelash. I'm gonna use this darkest spark color right here. Put the outer corner of the lower lash. Okay, I put some mascara on the lower eyelashes. They don't look great. I have a little bit lower lash, but I think I can fix it. I'll use the gel eyeliner by Marc Jacobs. I'm gonna just put it at the waterline. Next, I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with a bigger eyeshadow brush with this color, Moony. Also, I'm gonna put this color. It's a big brush, but it'll work. The corner of my eye. Next, I'm gonna put some concealer to brighten up under eye area. Okay, I'm gonna blend it out with my brush. I'm gonna use this Too Faced chocolate bronzer, color medium deep. It's matte finish. Has a mirror. I'm gonna use this angled brush. I'm gonna do a little bit contour on my jawline because of that chubby jaw. New finger. I'm gonna use my contour brush one out. There, my face looks smaller. I have some acne scars, but I don't care to cover. I don't care. I don't care. Next, I'm gonna do a blush. I'm gonna use this Tarte. This is more like kind of like a peachy nude color. I'm gonna use this Dose of Color matte liquid lipstick, warm and fuzzy. It's been my favorite lipstick for a while. I really like it. It has nice matte finish. Look at the color. That's today's video. You learned how to do this look. I hope you like my video. Give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, tell me what I did wrong, or if you have any questions, just leave your comments down below, and I'm gonna link all the products I used today for this look. And that's it. You have a good day. Bye.